Welcome to Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher with MarineMax. Today we're on a 2014 Nautique G23. White boat, brown sea deck, white seats, beautiful boat. This one does have NSS, nice big swim platform back here, big wide walk-through with cooler back in the back here. Also stereo controls. Walking into the boat, so you have a great big U-shaped seating area. This seat here also pulls back and flips up so you can have more people facing the rear of the boat. Big storage under here. You see this one is equipped with the bow filler cushion for the front, which is in this one, as well as the filler cushion that goes across the back here. Make this a full sun pad in the back. Moving up to the helm here. Boat has 161, almost 162 hours on it. All right, mirror. All the seats, great condition. Walking up front here, like I said, it has a bow filler cushion. Nice deep bow seating in these G23s. Rated for 16 people, 4 of which can ride in the front. Board racks, tower speakers. This boat has it all. Very, very good condition. Captain Ben Beecher, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Schedule an appointment to come by and take a look today. Thanks. Have a great day.